Welcome back to my Holiday Organizing Tip series, where I will be uploading holiday organizing tips each and every day to help you achieve a little more organization this holiday season. If you've missed any of my previous videos, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description box below, or you can just click on the iCard up there and it'll take you to them. Now, today's organizing tip is about your calendar. I always recommend, especially during the holiday season, that everybody move to a paper calendar. Here's the thing. Our digital calendars that we have in our phones allow us to overbook, which causes the stress and the disorganization that always follows in the holiday season. Now, what I recommend is when you go to fill out your calendar, put all your daily obligations, your tasks, school, work, all those sorts of things, put that on your calendar first. That way you'll see where there are open spots to put all of your holiday activities in. The beauty of a paper calendar is it doesn't allow you to overbook. Once the little box is full, your day is full. Your digital calendars do not do that. You can just keep adding it in. So move to a paper calendar, put all your daily tasks in first, then add your holiday activities into the boxes, and you will be able to clearly see like an overview of what days are busier and what days aren't. And that will help you not only schedule, but manage your time a lot better this holiday season. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you'd like more holiday tips like this, be sure to get my downloadable PDF that is filled with even more organizing tips and 55 pages of organizing to-do lists and templates that'll help you keep track of everything during this holiday season. The link to my PDF is found in the description box below. And be sure to check back tomorrow for more holiday organizing tips. Take care.